Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix we cannot sign into your account or fix temporary issue in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type cmd. Open a command prompt and right click run as administrator. After opening the command, type a command is w h o a m I space slash user and press enter. Now you can note it your SID. Now here is my SID. Okay guys, minimize it, and after doing this that in the search bar type a registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening the registry editor, first of all, select the HKey local machine and expand it. After doing this, that find out a select the software and expand it. After that, select a Microsoft and expand it. Select a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this, that find out a Windows NT. Now here is a Windows NT. Select it and expand it. Select the current version and expand it, and find out a profile list. Scroll down. Now here is a profile list and expand it. Now you can see that a list of the profiles. Now find out your relevant SID. Now you can see that in my cases, here is my, now you can see that my SID. So here is my SID. So match it, select it. After doing this stat, open a state and set a value data is 0. Press OK and close in registry editor. And close it. After doing this stat, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can create a new ID. So I hope, create a new user. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.